Hi, and welcome to Logic Broker's product feature series. I'm Jason Krug, Senior Sales Engineer. Today, we're walking through onboarding, testing, and certification. Everyone focuses on the speed of onboarding, but how do you know suppliers will provide the same level of service that your customers have grown to love from you? Testing is the most important part of onboarding to train suppliers on your business processes and make sure they provide the same top tier service to your customers. We've watched retailers struggle to try and track testing because there's no visibility across test cases. It's too difficult to coordinate testing across teams, and it's just too darn difficult to set up test data. But what happens when testing becomes too difficult? Suppliers work around the system, skipping steps or faking test data. When that happens, it's no longer testing that will protect your customer experience. It's just a waste of time and money. That's why clients come to Logic Broker to configure and automate supplier onboarding training through the onboarding portal. Our customers realize that every interaction with customers is valuable and that 90% of customers are unlikely to order again from a business that cancels, delays, or sends the wrong item within the first 3 orders. At Logic Broker, we provide a staging environment to ensure every supplier is onboarded, tested, and certified in staging before being promoted to production. Logic Broker self-service testing tools not only provide you, the supplier, with complete visibility of the status of testing across your suppliers, but also the ability for your suppliers to perform all the testing and certification on their own. Our implementation team will work with you to configure 5 to 7 test cases based upon the scenarios that are most important to you. They can be as simple as multi-line order fulfillment to as complicated as partial fulfillment, returns, and cancels. This ensures that the suppliers know exactly your policies, integrate their systems correctly, and are ready to support your customers. Here we can see that the partial fulfillment test case completed all the way from order, acknowledgement, to shipment and invoices. But apparently the order cancellation test case seemed to fail with the acknowledgement. I can not only see the information and error messages here, but I can also click and drill into the test data for the order and see that the test case failed regarding the order cancellation and the reasons why it canceled. As I look into it a little bit closer, it looks like that I approved the order and didn't cancel the order as the test case provided. Let's go and rerun that test case. As a supplier, I have the ability to rerun the test cases as many times as I want with the data that I need. This ensures that the suppliers can test at their speed that they want without any dependency of external teams to email, run test jobs, or set up data. By submitting and creating a brand new test order, I now will trigger all of the Logic workflows and the integrations to trigger the acknowledgements, cancels, shipments, and returns, everything necessary for the supplier to complete the testing in their own systems, always ensuring that each step is completed and performed correctly. By ensuring suppliers test against your test cases with their actual data, now you have real testing results that you and your supplier can count on. With testing integrated into the system, not only do you have full visibility into testing, but you don't have to stay logged in every day to see the results. As we talked about in our alerts and notifications, you can actually configure your specific alerts and notifications for the testing complete and see the status of testing as when it's completed by your suppliers. Testing is all part of onboarding, and so all of the testing results are integrated into our onboarding dashboard for you to see where they are in setting up their product, inventory, and testing. This allows you to know exactly their status is complete before pushing them live to production. At Logic Broker, we not only support your curated supplier network, but your curated customer experience, from everything from our knowledge base, our automated self-service testing, and our white glove onboarding team. Since every client's customer's experience is different, it's not only important for you to clearly define and share your policies in our knowledge base, but it's also important to test and train your suppliers before they fulfill real orders and impact your customer experience. Every test case completed is another happy customer and another brand protected. If you have any questions or want to learn more about this feature, feel free to reach out to us and we can set up some time to chat. Thanks for watching.